Hello, this is our project, EW2 project. It's a portable mobile charger with a rectifier circuit. In the first part of the circuit, we have a rectifier circuit with a battery charging module. It converts the 220 volt AC input to a constant 7 volt DC output along with a constant current to charge the 6 volt batteries connected here. Then we have the inverting DC-DC converter. It converts a range of 3 to 6 volts to a constant output of 5 volts. We need a constant output to charge the connected device, because without a constant output as such, the devices will be damaged. In between these two circuits, there is a switch. This switch is used to avoid pass-through charging. For example, when the DC-DC converter is switched on and a device is charging, and in between, if the rectifier circuit is switched on, the DC-DC converter gets switched off so as to avoid pass-through charging. That is, the batteries connected will be both charging and discharging at the same time, which will lead to future damage of the power bank. And here we have a battery level indicator. The green LED glows from a range of 2.5 to 5 volts, and then both the LEDs glow beyond 5 volts, and none of them glow below 2.5 volts. Here is the USB connector that we have used. Presently we are connecting it to a lamp to demonstrate the entire circuit. In the USB connector, we have reversely connected the outputs of the DC-DC converter, because here we are using an inverting DC-DC converter. And we have connected only one data line and the other one is not connected. Now we will be demonstrating the circuit.
The VDD of DC-DC converter is connected to the switch. So now when I switch it on, it will switch. The lamp is switching on. Now if I connect it to across the batteries, the battery level indicator, then LEDs are glowing, which is showing that the voltage is between 2.5 to 5 volt. It's less than 5 volt. Now if I switch on. Now if I switch on the rectifier circuit, then the lamp will go off. Now if I switch
off the rectifier,
circuit again,
we can again switch on the lamp. So this is the entire working of our circuit. Thank you.